Welcome to Transfer Enterprises. Looking for some chairs? I've got you. Why don't we check this one out? This is the Steelcase Think V2. For one, we're going to start with the LiveBack mesh back, which adds support and allows for comfortable sitting regardless of your spinal condition. What I like to do first with my chairs is adjust the height. Start off in the highest position, sit down, and then I make sure that I can plant my feet comfortably on the ground. Next, I try to adjust my seat slide. My legs are a little bit longer, so I want support all the way to the back of my knees. So I pull the seat all the way out, and I make sure that I sit all the way back. That way I can actually really feel the chair supporting my lumbar. Next, I might want to make sure that my lumbar is located in the right position. With the adjustable lumbar slide, I can fit my lumbar support to the exact spot just for me. One great other feature of this chair is the tilt lock, which I can control right here. So with this dial, I can control upright positioning, minor tilt, greater tilt, and free tilting. You can also adjust the height of the arms and the pivot by clicking the button or merely sliding the top of the arm pad. Well, that's that. This is our chair of the month, the Steelcase Think V2. Come on down and check it out.